Downtime does not wait for the right moment. It shows up when systems fail, customers still expect service, and internal teams are already stretched. Hybrid cloud complexity, cyber risks, and IT staffing gaps turn that pressure into lost time and lost revenue. Around 25 to 30% of the IT services market now sits in managed services, which shows how fast businesses are moving away from reactive IT. Peter Bertrand, Chief Client Officer at DKB Innovative, notes, "The right managed IT service means you can focus on scaling the business while experts handle IT issues before they impact customers." Managed IT services shift the model from reaction to prevention. Round-the-clock monitoring and rapid recovery reduce disruption before it spreads. Predictable monthly costs replace surprise repair bills, which makes planning more stable and less reactive. Security, compliance, and cloud performance also move into constant oversight. Risks get flagged earlier, systems stay aligned, and resources get used more efficiently. Teams gain time back. Less firefighting means more focus on growth and customer needs. Systems also scale more smoothly as the business expands. Read the full article to see how managed IT services build resilience and support scalable growth.